So how do you structure your content creation days? I just, every day I create. Every day. That's what I do. I'm a creator. So, every day is a creation day. There's not a day that goes by that I don't create some sort of video or training or something. It's just what I do. So to give you some sort of like structure, this is kind of what my days look like right now. And I change my system every once in a while because I'll get bored with it. I just know that each day there's this thing that has to get done. I have to get content out. I've got to talk to my people. And that's what you really want to think about it. Like, I know what I do, and we'll talk about that here in just a second, but I know this is what I do. Like, every day Tiger Woods plays golf. Every day Porsche does Porsche. Every day Apple is Apple. Every day you name somebody that's, building and creating and solving problems. That's what they do every day. So at 8 a.m., I get prepared for my live. Prior to 8 a.m., like let's say from 6 to 8, I'm, trying to move my body and, work out or eat or just kind of wake up. And then I prepare for the live. All right. And then at 9 a.m., I go live on TikTok. And what's nice about it is it's all recorded. So it just goes into my phone. And then I'll take from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., I'll just edit the live into short form. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that and how I do that. But that's what I do. So after I go live, sometimes my lives go over too. It's like this, sometimes I got to push into other parts of the day, but that's the freedom of what we're doing here. You can do that. So anyway, from 9 a.m. I'll go live. If it's an awesome live, I'm staying on and going live with them. If I'm feeling it, I'm going with them because you learn so much, you learn so much. And then from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., I'll edit those into short form content that I can distribute out on social media. That's, so that's the, whole make once thing, right? So I make the live once and it turns into everything that day. So 10 a.m. to 11, turn live into short form. Okay. 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., I edit the live into a long form, right? So I just take the live and I put it in a horizontal instead of a vertical, because it's TikTok live, so it's vertical. I take that and I stick it onto a, 16 by 9 canvas and I put it over to the right. I can show you what that looks like. And you can go see it. If you just go to my YouTube channel, you can see what that looks like. But I'll show you. And then, so I do that. And then from 12 to 1, I eat. And then I plan my pocket coaching video each day. And it usually stems off of something that happened while I was going live, or something that happened the day before inside of the community or on a call. And I start planning the pocket coaching. I think like, well, what do these people need? Like what can I help? Like what I'm hearing. And then from 1 to 2, I create and post the pocket coaching video. Tonight, I'm doing it at 7:45 p.m. because that's just the way the cookie crumbled today. And so it's cool sometimes, like when I do them in the morning, I'm a different person than when I do them at night. And I like that. It's on my schedule, but I know that it has to get done. And that's why I like the pocket coaching as well. You probably might need a pocket coaching just for your own brain. It'll keep you, Tiger Woods said when he was in the depths of his career, when he was just crushing it, not that he doesn't now, just saying when he was in his ultra prime, he said he wouldn't leave the golf course until he hit 100 putts in the hole in a row. So that's the level of just, I don't look at this as work or anything. This is just what I do. I help people using the internet. And then from 2 p.m. to whenever I decide, sometimes I shut down early. Sometimes I don't shut down. It's just, after 2 p.m., I'm still creating. Can I fix my website? Am I learning it? Do I have to learn something? What can I iterate? What can I delegate? What can I remove? I'm planning the next day, and I'm just visualizing what I want and what I'm trying to create. And I constantly just think about that.